All right, everybody. So right now we just spend a little bit time to ask teacher Wani. Right now he is a teacher of ISL. You can see, you will know. So today I don't have to talk about something. I just want you to give some advice to all the students
Okay.
learning English.
Okay. Yeah, very good question, right?
Yes.
So now it's my turn to give some advice for students who study English or who want to improve English. So English is a international foreign
Yeah,
language.
international language,
So
right?
when you want to go to visit another country, you need to use
Yeah, use in English, right?
English, maybe English as well. So you need to practice.
Yeah.
If you want to speak in English, you need to practice every day.
Yeah.
Okay. With yourself, with your friend, and go somewhere.
But-
To use in English, so you need to speak out loud.
Yeah.
And don't worry about grammar, but just speak.
So I forgot. Hasab lah, mata hasab lah. And one more thing, because right now I heard some people they sing. Some people they say like sing. Yeah, sing. But I see the real situation. Like many people don't care about the English. Sometimes you can see, but many people learning English, but they lack of confidence, lack of afraid of making mistakes.
They are afraid. Don't fear. Don't fear. Don't afraid of speaking. Because why? So I have some reason to support our point right now. When you speak, for example, when you speak to another people, maybe it's the real. They know, they understand. For example, like we are Khmer, so we speak. Maybe Tuesday.
Yeah.
Maybe so sometimes we use wrong word, right?
But still no mistake, right?
Yes,
Yeah, actually. It's still, for example, when we try to speak in English, it's similar to when you speak with somebody. Yeah. But I see like no many people think like this sometimes when we learning about English, right? It's still like, oh, I'm really afraid of making mistake. I lack of grammar.
So they cannot speak.
Yeah, actually.
Out loud. Or
Yeah.
They cannot solve disagree or solve solution. Right?
That is my experience. I think I try to speak English. When we talk, I always suggest to all students like, if you want to speak in English, you have to open your mouth to speak it out. Don't care about grammar. Don't care about the people.
So you improve, right?
Yeah, I know because
Speaking.
yeah, still speaking, but not a lot. Lack of grammar and writing skills. So I need to improve more. Karen, I just joined a new term and new class also.
Very good. Very good.
Teacher recommend to me to study about writing because
Okay, which university is it?
two franchise only.
Which level did you study right now? Level 6?
Yeah, level 6.
Wow. It's, we call it high level.
Yeah.
High level. So we use English all the time.
Yeah.
The whole hour, right?
My teacher told me that suggest to me like, whenever your English is in this school, you are is so modern than other people. Say like this, they suggest that you have to study writing, study grammar. So that is the problem that I have to meeting right now. I need to study about the grammar and writing skill because sometimes that is my problem. Alright.
Yeah. So we need to improve a lot.
Yeah, that's all for today, and thank you for your advice. Sometimes I don't know about this here clear or not, maybe because we don't have a mic, just have only we know something like to connect everybody.
And maybe so far.
Yeah, so far from a microphone, everybody. Look at this. See you next time, guys.